Alright guys, I'm sure you really like these pictures. In order to accomplish this goal, there is a one website which is not too much complicated. It is easy for lazy like me and you. Okay, so the website name is Artguru.ai. I will definitely put the link in the down description as well. Please click the link. And it is very easy, just drag and drop. It does not require to pay. It is free, but it doesn't mean that there is an option for upgrading as well. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade as well, but you can create an account, do this stuff for the first time. If you just come to the www.artguru.ai without signing to this account, or without signing to this platform, you're able to face swap based on the samples that they have. Any of these samples, as you see, if you're a boys or girls, it doesn't matter, but you can pick any of these pictures. Let's say I want to swap this face, or my face should be like this, and this is the figure of the face, and so on. All right, click on add a face and select which picture you want to swap. I want to click on my YouTube channel picture, and let's see what's gonna happen. Generate. I think I have exceeded the limit, so here is the place where I can sign in using one of my Gmail account, and will continue from there. If you exceed the limit, here is a subscription price per week. It is $199, but if you go for monthly, it is $5.99. If you go by yearly, it is $59.99. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my another account in order to use this platform for free. All right, I just log into this account using my Gmail account. It's very simple. Just type your Gmail and password and you should get to go. Then we have to come to this swap option. Click on swap option. Here's the place where we can swap our face. All right, let me grab my picture. I will definitely pick my YouTube main pictures. All right, so it's very simple and very easy as well. Let's say generate. All right, guys, as you look at my picture here, this is me. It's very sad as well. I'm very serious in this picture. All right, I want to close this one and I can easily download it. There you go. I download this file. So if I want to swap to this guy, so this guy is very handsome as well, and let's try with other guy. Or how about Superman? Or yeah, let's try with this one. Let's see the result. There you go, guys. I become Superman. I'm very serious as well. Be careful. If you guys need help, just give me a call and I will be there in no minute. All right, let's try another one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this one. Just want to make sure that I have this whole file with me. Let me pick another one. Let's try with this one. Yes, let's see how it looks. This guy looks very serious as well, and let's see my face in here. All right, there you go. I think I look much better than him, but I didn't know. I didn't want to judge anything. There you go. It's more accurate. It's very, very, very accurate. So this is as easy as this. So you can create or generate as much as picture as you like, and these were an example. So it was very easy, very simple as well, as I mentioned. So probably once you create about 8 picture, it may ask for the price. One thing you should keep in your mind, that you can change this in the source face to anyone, any member of your family, any member of your colleagues, or anyone you want. All right, I hope the information was very informative. If you think so, the only way to appreciate my work is to simply subscribe and like the video if you really like. Until next time, I stay safe, be brave, and of course see you guys next time.